Kain muna kami. Gutom.
I don't know if I heard her name.
The view is very nice here. Look.
Where's the? Oh, there it is.
It's very nice. So ito yung favorite ano namin dito, sports bar.
I'm gonna get the jerk.
Sure.
That's what it is.
Beauty! Excited na sana ako kasi magdi-date kami ng mga pamangkin ko at saka kapatid ko. But then my sister called and said yung pamangkin ko na babae is hindi makapunta dito kasi nawala ng gana. Kasi yung isang car nila ay na-tow. Tapos, siya yung nagbayad, yung pamangkin ko. Parang wala siya sa mood kasi hundreds yun pagpa-tow ng kanilang ay, sakit. Uban pa more. Kaya nga, sayang wala siya. But hopefully next time, kain muna kami. Tapos gugutom talaga. Ito yung pagkain ko.
Everything come out okay?
Yes. So far, wala kaming evidence of the tornado other than the erosions. Kasi malakas yung ulan. Other than that, hindi umabot yung tornado. Tornado did not reach us here, so thank you, Lord. Yeah, we have lots of erosions here. I know.
All the stuff I put up here, it's washed it.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna have to. I'm not sure.
Look at this. Okay lang. No, don't tell me the deers ate our plant, our berries.
Yeah, see, all this just came up.
I think we need to do another batch of deer repellent.
Yeah, see this? Man, I don't know what to do about keeping this from eroding. I'm just like, see this? They just.
Yeah. So, napakalakas na ulan kasi first time ko nakita itong ganitong erosion. So, yun na nga, frustrated si Cory kasi ilang araw din niyang hakot-hakot ng mga dirt doon sa bangin tapos ang hirap kargahin kasi napakabigat. But anyway, yun, na-eroded lang dahil sa malaking bagyo. But guys, pasalamat na lang kami kasi yan lang yung nadanas namin. Sa previous video ko, nakarinig kayo ng mga siren tapos gising kami ng alauna ng madaling araw. Oh my gosh.
All this garbage, just clean it off. This garbage off, please. Yeah, I guess we're gonna need. Where does this go?
Safe place.
Where? All that work I did, and look, junk anyway.
Parang ito ata yung party ng cloud formation na nakita namin nung lumagbas ako sa bahay kagabi. Oh my goodness, tapos ito yun guys. Nangyari ito mga 2 hours away from us, papuntang Chicago. 2 hours, 3 hours, mga ganun. Tapos ito, parang malapit ito sa amin. Ang dami talagang mga damages guys. Tapos may namatay talaga na mga tao. Tapos ito din mga 2 hours ito away from us. Parang may namatay din 2 tao dito sa lake na ito. Oh my goodness, nakakatakot ang tornado. Tapos ito, malapit ito sa amin. So parang sad si Cory na ilang araw niya parang mabubuktot na siya ba sa kakahakot ng ng mga dirt. Tapos yun, inaanod lang. But you know what, may realization siya talaga. Sabi niya na at least itong sa 2 bahay natin ni isang twig walang nabali. Tapos sa surrounding places dito sa aming bahay, parang mga 4 na places yung na-struck ng tornado. Yung isa sa Aurora, that's next door from us. Mga 5 to 10 minutes yung drive galing sa amin. Tapos yung iba mga 15 to 20 minutes. Yun, tapos may namatay pa. Pero dito guys sa aming 2 bahay, my gosh, we're just so thankful na yun, hangin lang at saka ulan yung na-experience namin. Tapos wala kaming mga, at may malaking realization talaga itong asawa ko. Sabi niya, ito tayo ay nagkasakit yung pusa natin, 3,500, 3,600 yung nagasta natin ng 2 araw lang. Tapos yung iba dito sa mga kapaligiran natin nawala yung bahay nila, may namatay pa. So we still have to be thankful that the Lord has protected us. Tapos wag na tayong bagulbol ba. Wag na tayong mag-grumble na ang laki naman ng nagasto namin kasi at least we're still alive and the Lord has really been supporting us kahit na maraming utang. Di bali na utang mababayaran pero yung buhay hindi na mababalik.
Okay. I'm ready.
Man, this stupid erosion garbage.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll. Where? Tell me. Alright, you're not saying anything.
Then one last.
Yan si Carpentera, chinek niya yung kanyang kalamansi kung natangay ng tornado ang mga bunga ni Miss Kalamansi. Joke. So far, nandyan pa naman sila, so I'm happy. They cannot reach the top.
I'm getting this over here.
Smells bad.
Well, that's good.
What's the baho? Baho, may baho.
Baho ihi?
No, murag patay nga balagtok.
Really?
Happy birthday, belated.
Thank
What's your size? I mean, is it large?
Medium or large usually.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
I got large. You're welcome.
Alright.
Good ako yun.
My goodness.
So you can sleep in Auntie Marine's bed. Yeah. Dala. Dali, sulod mo.
Guys, ang baho talaga. Whew. Nag-spray kami ng deer repellent. Oh my gosh, ang baho. Oof. Ang baho talaga. Kailangan mag-spray kasi kinakain nila yung namin. Yung mga tanim namin. My gosh, these deers.
Oh yeah, this is like something he'd have.
You had that already?
No,
No, it's like something that I'd have.
yeah,
Ah.
yeah, that would be. Isn't that kind of like?
Do you like it?
Yeah, I've not seen one like that. Look at that. Interesting. I haven't seen like that kind of.
It's so
Huh. That's nice. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, that'll be. That's a nice, nice texture, huh?
oh.
Looks soft.
No, thank you.
The other
Yeah,
one is for
that'll
your
be for what? My.
here when
Oh.
you work here.
Oh, is it a work shirt?
Actually, that'd be pretty
Any shirt
convenient.
you can also wear it when you go out. We will be both wearing that.
We'll both be. Thank you.
Will that fit you though? It's large.
It's a little bit. It might be big, but it'll be fine because after you wash it.
Okay,
a few
open
times-
my next gift.
After you wash it a few times, it'll be just.
Oh, so
Come here,
your
Adrian.
size is
Can you watch the gift that I gave him? I made that like 20
What?
years ago. I haven't finished yet.
Yeah, this was.
Oh, what's that? Oh, wow.
It was a picture I had
Yeah.
taken from.
with Rusty.
Yeah, there's a picture with
Oh my
Rusty.
gosh.
Can you face the camera, Uncle Cor?
Oh, sorry.
I need to finish that, yeah.
And she had a cross stitch made out of it, made out of
Yeah.
a picture, and then that was her.
Yeah,
that's
he
so
sent me,
beautiful.
Very nice.
like 25
Very
years
nice.
ago, you sent me that picture and then I
Oh.
had it scanned.
It
And
wasn't
then
25, but it was.
somewhere there.
It was before she came to the U.S.
Mm.
And
Can I touch it?
it was a picture I took, and then. Oh, you got this too. That's nice.
What's that?
Yeah,
Those are,
to
ties?
cover.
Oh, right.
Or are they?
Yeah, you can keep the.
Oh yeah, I just like seriously, that cross stitch is older than you, Adrian.
Yeah. That's so interesting.
Wow.
Oh, that's a nice mug. I want that.
That's from Auntie Joanne.
Yeah, that.
Girl Master.
When you guys were here, when you all came here a few weeks ago,
Mhm.
that was from.
Imagine that cross stitch that is older than Adrian. Where is it?
It's here.
It's in the white one.
Yeah, it's in the Christmas bag.
Can you pause here?
Huh?
Can you pause? And so I can tell the world that you're older.
Then,
Here's the
it's a
handsome,
sweet.
here is the handsome guy that is not born yet. Oh, I made this one. Sit down, Adrian.
And then this is from
Yeah?
I
Mom
was.
and Dad.
Oh, I was looking at it from the wrong side. I think.
Wow.
When I
Or-
went to see them.
Yeah, no, I was looking at it from the wrong
Last
side.
Believe it or not, this is older than you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That was last Saturday.
This is
Okay.
A
very
week ago
drastic.
tomorrow I went.
yeah, I'm surprised.
I went to Findlay,
They
Ohio.
don't make
That's
art
where
like
we-
this anymore.
How far is that?
2 hours, 2.5,
Wow.
That's
and then a card with.
So yan ang pamangkin ko na ayaw talagang magpa-video. Tapos na-amaze siya sa aking cross stitch. Kasi ginawa ko yan mga 25 years ago or so. Tapos hindi pa siya hindi pa siya naging tao noon. Tapos sabi niya, oh my gosh, mas matanda pa ito kaysa sa akin. Alam niyo guys, ginawa ko yung cross stitch na yan nung nag-date kami ni Cory. Tapos, gusto ko sanang i-surprise siya pagdating ko dito sa Amerika. So, nung nag-propose siya sa akin, sige, mag-start na tayo mag-process ng papers mo. Yun, sinimulan ko na din ang paggawa ng cross-stitch na yan. Siguro mga 3 months before ako nakapunta dito sa Amerika. Parang in the beginning of 2007, ilang months before ako nakapunta dito sa Amerika, gusto ko sanang i-surprise si Cory. Kaya lang, hindi ko talaga natapos. Hanggang ngayon, almost 20 years after, hindi pa rin natapos. Ano ba yan?
So from Mom and Dad.
They gave you another clothes or shirt or pants?
I always get pantaloons every time.
Ah.
Because the same brand as these because they're nice and I go through them quickly.
Of course, because you use it in the construction.
And this is a nice Izod, this is not a work shirt. This will not be used for a work shirt.
Yeah.
But that's a nice.
Oh, that's beautiful. I love the color.
And then I got the shoes to.
Nice.
I need to make sure that I.
Same brand as your old one?
No, but similar design.
Yeah.
Kind of a similar design. And then we have the card that.
Ooh. Would you like to eat at Cheesecake Factory?
Huh? No.
Kakain lang namin. We just ate a while ago, but I did not enjoy my food.
So it says, for a special son, a son like you brings more than pride. He brings smile and laughter to family moments, warmth and caring to all who are blessed to be part of your life.
Mm-hmm.
And it says, and you bring daily thankfulness to us for God's gift of such a wonderful son.
Oh, isn't that sweet?
And then, these are not the right glasses, but it's, we have so much joy before our God because of you. We cannot thank him enough
Oh,
for all the joy we feel.
that's
1
nice.
Thessalonians 3:9, I think. I can't remember these. These are not the right.
That is so sweet.
And then there's a two. That was extra cash for anything else.
Mm.
And then Mom says, Cory, not enough words to describe how proud of you we are. How
Oh,
much we love you. You are such a blessing.
oh.
And then Dad says, Happy birthday, Cory. My gift is that any Cincinnati team wins a championship. I love that. Kind of a joke of, so my response to him is, so you don't have a gift for me? I said, "You don't have a
Because
gift
they
for me."
all lose. They all lose.
The Cincinnati sports teams haven't really won much of anything in a long time.
Mm.
He says, my gift is that any Cincinnati sports team will win a championship.
Yeah.
And he said, any. So I said,
Unfortunately.
what about the bowling team? And yeah, that's that. Or a Cincinnati high school team could work. Also, that would be.
Well, thank you for appearing on my video today.
And then we've got just a couple of
Oh yeah,
additional. These are just
pinadalhan pa
these
nila
are
ako.
extra items that she just threw in here, kind of for both of us. If we
Yeah, we can leave that here. I would need that in the dish.
She gets these paper pads. These are
As
just,
always,
shopping
yeah.
list or- Mom,
Mga gagamitin yan. We'll use that one for grocery lists,
yeah,
etc.,
Mom's very
etc.
organized.
Yeah, she is.
And then
Yeah,
your
para sa dishwasher.
dishcloth.
Mm-hmm.
I can't remember who said. Someone from the church, I think, made these.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's
I
nice.
think if she, yeah.
That's really
And then-
nice.
The other thing, when I can't remember where she said she got this, and it wasn't maybe the right Oh, this. Oh, you know what though? Oh, here.
Ooh,
Does it show
wow.
So basically, it would be like a.
That's nice.
And I don't know. I think it's for outside. and
Yeah,
inside.
because it has solar panel. That's cool. Yeah, we will put that near our number later on.
So there you go.
Thank you, parents.
Put that right there for now, or wherever.
Oh, we forgot to pray. Kasi, bye! Love you! Drive safe! Oof. Ang baho talaga. Pero kailangan. I don't know yet. Ito yung paborito ko. So, sinabi ko kay Cory na bili kami ng something sweet that I like. Kasi my taste buds right now are like acting weird. Bitter yung taste ko. Tapos, sabi ko kay Cory, punta tayo sa grocery. Tapos sabi niya, anong gusto mong bilhin? Sabi ko, ewan ko. Tingnan lang natin. Ganun talaga ako, guys. Siguro dahil ang dami kong mga medicines na take.
Jelly. Grape jelly flavor. Just, I don't know where the other ones we used to get.
Yeah, I know.
Hey,
The one that you got is a little bit tart, but
I know. That's the problem. Gumdrop.
oh, here.
So yan,
There are
ayaw
two
talaga ni
kinds.
Cory. Natikman ko yung mga
No, that's
grapes
not the same
before
one.
kami bibili. Sabi ko, paano natin malalaman kung
Man,
matamis
it's
siya
not-
or
that's
hindi?
just-
Di ba sa atin, pag
Yeah, it's
bibili
tart.
tayo lang lansones, o di ba pinatikim
Never
muna
mind,
before
okay.
tayo
How
bibili?
about here?
Sabi niya, hindi
More
pwede yan
now,
kasi
yeah.
pag nanakaw yan. It's like, what? Seriously? One piece of grapes ay pag nanakaw eh. Yung iba nga nagnanakaw ng milyones eh, hindi na convict. Tayo pa kaya nag-taste lang na bibilhin naman natin yung mga grapes na tinitikman natin pag matamis, di ba? O yan.
Ooh, these are my weakness. Oh, my gosh, look at that. It's so pretty.
Let's get your pink one. Come on.
What is this? Ganda.